Welcome back! In this course, you'll be embarking on an exciting learning journey exploring the world of ChatGPT. We'll start by building a strong foundation in AI, language models, and the incredible potential of ChatGPT. As we move forward, you'll learn the ins and outs of ChatGPT and practice with hands-on exercises, mastering the art of prompt engineering to unlock its full potential. You'll then apply your skills to create a variety of content, from blog posts to ad copy, and use ChatGPT for efficient research and information gathering. Exploring its role in personal and professional growth, you'll discover how ChatGPT can streamline workflows and automate tasks. And then diving into the world of digital marketing strategies and analytics, we'll examine ChatGPT's impact on these areas before leveraging it for job applications, interviews, and networking. We'll also learn about diverse applications in education, coding, and personal life. Throughout this course, we'll be using industry-specific examples to understand how ChatGPT can be applied across different fields. And finally, here are the 9 most important functions on Udemy to maximize your learning. Number 1, course resources. You can access resources by clicking on the lecture and selecting the relevant materials inside. 2, playback rate. Adjust the video speed to your preference by using the playback rate button that's near the player controls. 3, add notes. To take notes, click add notes and write down your thoughts. 4, transcripts and captions. Auto-generated transcripts are available under the transcripts tab, while captions can be activated by clicking captions and turning them on. Do note that transcripts may not always be 100% accurate. 5, Q&A. If you need any help, click the Q&A button, scroll down and search for your question, or ask a new one. Our team will respond within 24 hours on weekdays. 6, notes. Find all your written notes on their specific timestamps here. 7, announcements. We continuously update the course and you'll receive these updates completely for free. You'll find them in the announcements section. 8, learning tools. Set reminders to stay accountable with your learning. Create an event and decide on your frequency. Remember, consistency is key. And finally, 9, course completion. After finishing the entire course, you'll unlock the trophy symbol, granting access to your diploma as a proof of your extensive training in this course. So now that you know how to get the most out of this course, let's move on to the next lecture.